Today I'm unboxing a Dezin electric pot with steamer. Here's a manual. Stainless steel cooker, 1.6 liters. Bubble wrap is the funnest thing in the box. Dual power option, 200 and 600 watts. Cook on low, high, or keep warm. The power cord goes right here. Overheating and boil dry protection. Stainless steel steamer. Visible glass lid. If you're not using a steamer, lid fits on the pot too. Oh my goodness, I love this bubble wrap. Who doesn't? Power cord. Minimum and maximum fill last. This is the perfect pot for dorm life, small spaces, or if you're trying to avoid the traditional money-hungry stove or microwave. Alright, let's get cooking. I'm gonna boil one egg in the steamer. Let's see how that goes. Oh my goodness, it's steamy. Let me wipe the camera. And the outcome is this is the egg we boiled in the steamer. Wow, it came out great. Alright. This pot is also great boiling macaronis as well. Cleanup is also a breeze. And there you have it. Dezin electric pot with steamer, model 830-1.